think it's birds. It's crazy.
You can see nothing from there.
I can see dots.
Yeah, that's true. Don't you want to get closer?
Yeah.
Stand on the street, see what's going to happen.
Why are they doing that
I
though?
don't know. That's the first time I ever saw something like
Like
this.
I've seen things like this when over like a lake, but I've never seen it like this.
Get closer.
Get closer?
I mean, all the way to those trees.
Yeah, let's drive over there and see it. Look, and there's more coming.
Oh, they have a lot. You see, they have a lot over there.
Yeah. And they're all up there too.
Are you sure those are birds? Aren't they bad?
There's so many up there. They're like little ants.
Yeah. They
I don't
have a
think my
lot.
phone can pick them up. They're everywhere. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's all the way to there.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, you guys don't want to be shit at bird shit. Yeah, that's what.